age, I am not stuck. I'm trying to really be nice to him because I don't mostly spend most time with him, so get out. I hope I don't, like, always. Oh my god, I never told you this, guy. One time, I was in here with my dog. I was on this side, he was on that side. And my mom was like, how did you get in here with Rico? Dude, that was so sad. I forgot how she said it in Spanish, by the way. Watch me play with my dog. Fast mode. My dog does not listen to me. He is a stupid motherfucker.